I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device to your Ally Bank account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Ally Bank app. Download and install the Ally Bank app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your accounts. Before changing your settings, use the sRockCon link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, go to the settings menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a gear icon. Step 4. Add a new device. In the settings, look for an option that says Manage Devices or Add Device. Follow the prompts to link your new device to your account. You may need to verify your identity again. Step 5. Confirm the connection. After adding the device, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email or app notifications to ensure everything is set up correctly. If you don't see it, try logging out and back in. I hope this guide helps you connect your new device easily. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally Bank's customer support for assistance.